today I'm going to show you how to replace your flinky rear sway bar links on a Can-Am X3 with some badass shock therapy links. To do this process, you will need a few tools: 18mm socket for this bolt, with this nut. There will be also a back nut in here where you will need an 18 wrench, 18 socket, and a 21 to lock in the sway bar from spinning. This is on a 2019. On 2018s and 17s, this nut is different size. I've done them before with being also only an 18mm as well. So 18 and 18. On 21, on 19 is gonna be 18 and 21. So let's start loosening them up. So once we have loosened up the bolts, I do this one-handed by holding the camera with the other one. Pull out the nut, pull out that. I already have loosened this one. Pull it out, back it goes, and just as simple as that. Just make sure that before you do this, the vehicle is on level ground. Now you get your shock therapies links. And you open them. They work on any size. If you notice, they'll be loose. And we have more parts in here that we'll be needing: the bushings and some bolts. Note that the bolt that you remove from the bottom hole, you will have to save it because you will have to use it later on to reinstall the new bushing. Let me get these parts ready and we'll go through it again. So once you have pulled out your link out from the back, you get these bushings. You're gonna install them like one there, one there, one there, and one there. Super simple. Grab your link, and that might fall off from it. So be careful with it. Gonna put the camera down for a minute as I put it in place. Give me just 1 second. So once the link is installed, you look through the hole, they're not lining up. Grab your adjustable link and turn it until the hole matches. And spread the load evenly. See, there's a match right there. Give your bolt supplied on the package. Slide it in without no force. If you're forcing that bolt in, you'll be putting preload on the sway bar, and you don't want to have any preload on it. Then you grab your washer and your nut. Oh. Tie it up in place. Tie it up. All the way through. Once both sides are installed, grab a 15/16 wrench and tight up your sway bar to this type. And just like that, you just install your Shock Therapy rear links on a 2019 Maverick X RX. Thank you.